So next one is absolute value of integer. So what is absolute value of integer? If a is an integer, then absolute value of a is denoted by modulus of a. If a is an integer, then absolute value of a is denoted by modulus of a and defined as modulus of a is equal to a. If a is positive, means greater than 0, modulus of a is equal to a only. Means modulus of 5. So here a is equal to 5. So a is a positive integer, means this is more than 0. So greater than 0, 5 is greater than 0. So that is a positive. So in this case, modulus of a is equal to a only. So modulus of 5 is equal to 5 only. Okay. So modulus of a is equal to minus a. When if a is less than 0, means a value is negative, less than 0, smaller of 0. If you take a is equal to negative value, the result is minus a. So see this modulus of minus 5. So this is a value. So here a value is less than 0. So in this case, what is the result of modulus of minus 5 is equal to minus a. So minus, what is a value? Minus 5. So minus into minus plus, it becomes plus. So modulus of 5 is 5 only. Modulus of minus 5 also 5 only. Okay. Modulus of minus 7. So here a value is how much? Minus 7 means less than 0. So if a is less than 0, modulus of a is equal to minus a. Modulus of minus 7 is equal to minus a value is how much? Minus 7. So minus of minus 7, it becomes 7. So modulus of 7 is how much? 7 only. So modulus of minus 7, 7 also. If you take negative and positive, we get same result. Okay. So modulus of 0. Modulus of a is equal to 0 if a is equal to 0. Modulus of 0 is equal to 0. So modulus of 0. 0 is equal to 0. Modulus of 3 is equal to 3. Modulus of minus 3 is equal to plus 3 only. Okay. So what did you observe? So result is either 0 or positive integers only. The result is either 0 or positive integers. So that's why absolute value of an integer is always non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means either 0 or positive. Non-negative integer means either 0 or positive numbers. So that is absolute value of an integer is always non-negative. Means sometimes we get 0 or positive numbers only. Did not get negative. See this example. Modulus of minus 4. What is the answer? 4 only. Modulus of 4. 4 only. Modulus of 0. 0 only. Modulus of minus 36. 36. Modulus of plus 36. 36. Means result is compulsory we get only positive. Did not get negative. Positive or 0. Okay. Now I will ask one question. So 8 minus modulus of minus 7. So what is this value? 8 minus modulus of minus 7. So first of all simplify this term. So 8 minus modulus of minus 7 how much? 7 plus 7 only. Plus 7. Here negative, negative. So this total value is plus 7. Here negative is there. So 8 minus 7 it becomes 1 only. Okay. 8 plus of modulus of minus 7. What is this result? 8 plus modulus of minus 7. What is this value? 7 only. Here plus only. So 8 plus 7, 15. 15. So modulus of x minus 5 if x is greater than 5. So what is the answer this one? Modulus of x minus 5 if x is greater than 5. X is greater than 5 means what is the x values? X values are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. These are x values. So if you take 6 minus 5 how much? 1. We get positive only, positive number. If you take 7 minus 5. 2, this is also positive number. If you take 8, 8 minus 5, what is the result? 3. So we get positive numbers only. Okay, if you take x is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 like this, means your condition is x greater than 5, means possible values of x are 6, 7, 8, 9 like that only. If you take that one, so we get result is positive. So absolute value means compulsory we get result either 0 or positive. So compulsory we get positive means, so modulus of x minus 5, if x greater than 5, what is the solution? X minus 5 only. If you take x minus 5, then we get all are positive only. So modulus of x minus 5, if x less than 5, now here x greater than 5, here x less than 5. If you take x less than 5, what is the possible values of x? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 like this. Okay, if you take 4, 4 minus 5, what is the result? Minus 1, means we get negative. But absolute value always get positive only. Okay, if you take 3, 3 minus 5, minus 2, here also we get negative. If you take 2, 2 minus 5, minus 3, here also we get negative. So if you take x less than 5, 4, 3, 2, that is possible values of x. If you take these values, we get negative. But absolute value we get compulsory positive only. So when will you get positive? If you take 5 minus x, result is 5 minus x. 5 minus x. Okay. So 5 minus x is 4. We get positive. Here 5 minus 3, we get positive. 5 minus 2, we get positive. So modulus of x minus 5, if x less than 5, what is the solution? 5 minus x. If you take 5 minus x, the result is positive. Okay, 5 minus x. Okay, easily. Here which one is greater? 5 is greater, so you taken as 5 is first. Here which one is greater? X is greater, so you taken as x is first. So modulus of x minus 5, if x greater than 5, x minus 5. Modulus of x minus 5, if x less than 5, so here 5 is greater, so that's why 5 minus x. So this is absolute value of an integers. Okay. So yesterday we discussed some problems. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus only. So these all are formulas. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus. Okay, I will explain one or two problems. Why? Because another assignment is there, second assignment. So today you do second assignment. Okay, so that's why I will explain 2-3 problems again. Minus 20 plus of minus 15 minus of minus 22 plus of plus 20. 10. Okay, like this model is there. Now observe here. First term is how much? Minus 20, so that is taken as directly minus 20. Plus into minus, minus, minus 50. Here minus into minus, plus 22. Which means we have to remove brackets. Okay, plus into plus, plus only 10. Now here observe, both are negatives, both are positives. Okay, so add negatives. How much? 35. So keep negative side. So these two are positives, plus 22 plus 10, both are positive. So these are also add and keep plus sign, 32. So one is negative, one is positive, means we have to do subtraction. So difference is how much? 3. So big number having which sign? Negative. So that's why minus 3. So we get minus 3. This answer is minus 3. Like this is there. Okay, another problem. 4 minus of minus 2 plus of minus 8 minus of minus 7 plus of plus 2 plus of minus 6. Okay, so here what is the starting term? Plus 4 only, plus 4 right. Now next one we have to simplify, means we have to remove brackets. So here at a time two signs are there, so both are multiplied. Minus into minus. Bracket means product. Minus into minus plus 2. Plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus 8. Plus into minus into minus plus. How much? 7. Plus into plus plus only. Plus into minus minus. What is the value? 6. Plus into minus we get minus. Okay, here two symbols. We get only one symbol, that is minus. Here value is 6, taken as 6. So now what is the positive numbers here? These are positives. Yes or no? Plus 4, plus 2, plus 7, plus 2. Okay, how much? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15. Okay, negatives. This one and this one negative. Minus 6, minus 8. So both are negative. So how much? Minus 14. So 15 minus 14, 1. So you do like this model. Okay. So today you complete assignment 2 also.